Assam and the rest of Northeast is in a complete state of shock. There is mourning everywhere because somebody who was their brand ambassador, who was their very own lyricist, composer, singer, Zubin Garg is no more. In every locality of Assam, this kind of tributes are being paid where people, young and old, are coming out in large number praying for the departed soul. In fact, shops and business establishments have been voluntarily been kept closed. You can see this is a supermarket and all the shops inside are closed. Outside, for hours together, people are praying for the departed soul. For more than 3 generations, people have grown up with the songs of Zubin Garg. His songs, each words of his songs reflect the voice of people, the voice of youngsters. In fact, we have a lot of young people here. कितने समय से ये ट्रिब्यूट यहाँ पे चल रहा है और ऐसे ट्रिब्यूट आज असम के हर गली में हो रहे हैं?
एक्चुअली ये बिल्कुल सही है सर कि आज हमारे सामने हमारे जुबिन गार्ग सर नहीं रहे, एक बहुत ही जाने माने सुपरस्टार थे हमारे असम से। ऐसा वो जब उनका मौत ऐसा लग रहा है कि हमारा अपना कोई मौत किसी का हो चुका है। बहुत ही प्यार करते थे। यहाँ लोग यहाँ गिर रहे उनके लिए, इतना प्यार करते थे उनके लिए। और हमारा एक बोलते हैं आसाम लॉर्ड्स इट्स मोस्ट प्रीशियस जेम टुडे एंड वी मिस यू जुबिंदा।
There is a big void that the people are feeling here. The youngsters, you can see here, they have not returned home. They have been here since yesterday when the news broke of his sudden demise in a freak accident in Singapore, where he had gone for performing at the Northeast Festival. In fact, now people are awaiting for the return of his mortal remains. You can see the feeling here, young and old, everybody. If I can speak to you, excuse me. The youngsters have been out whole day, whole night. You're waiting for the mortal remains of Zubin Garg.
আমি মানে আজি ভাষাৰে বুজাব নোৱাৰা এটা মানে এতিয়ালৈকে বিশ্বাসে কৰিব পৰা নাই আমি হৈছে কি আচলতে মানে আমাৰ অসমীয়া জাতিৰ কাৰণে আৰু অসমীয়া প্ৰত্যেকজনৰ বুকুত আজি কি হৈছে বা কি ঘটি আছে কোনো এতিয়ালৈকে বিশ্বাসে কৰিব পৰা নাই যে তেওঁ আমাৰ মাজত নাই। আৰু তেওঁ য'তেই থাকে ভগৱানক প্ৰাৰ্থনা কৰিছোঁ যাতে তেওঁ য'তেই থাকে তেওঁ আত্মাই যাতে সদ্গতি পায়। আৰু জুবিন দা আমাৰ মাজত সদায় অমৰ হৈ থাকিব। তেওঁক আমি কেতিয়াও পাহৰিব নোৱাৰা এজন ব্যক্তি আৰু শব্দ নাই আজি।
There is no words to describe this void, no words to explain the feeling. That's what she is saying. And this is the mood of Assam today. His songs are being played in every corner. People are mourning as if they have lost somebody from their family. Each and every family in Assam are mourning and waiting for the return of the mortal remains. Even as in Morigaon district of Assam, police has now registered a case lodged by an individual against the organizers of the Northeast Festival of negligence of a superstar. In fact, police sources have also told us that Zubin Garg's manager might also be brought under the ambit of investigation. Meanwhile, the state government is making the preparations for a grand public tribute to the megastar of Assam after his mortal remains reach Guwahati. In Guwahati, with camera Sanjay Chakravarti, Ratneep Chaudhary for NDTV.